Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how user can comment in a post. Here you can see we are in a full post. If I go back, so these are post, right, blog post, and we can actually click here, read more, and then we can go to the new page, and then here we will see whole post, and we can actually do comment system here. So this div is for comment system. If I go to the resources, then views, then full post dot blade dot, here you can see this is the div where I will actually add comment system. So to add this, we'll actually install a package, and here you can see the package. So this is the live demo. So I will give you the link in the description. So first of all, what you have to do, here you can see we have to actually install Livewire. So click here, right click on it, and then here you can see we are in Livewire. So what you have to do, we have to actually copy it and paste it in the terminal. So I'll go to the project, and then here I will open the terminal, and I will actually enter it. So here you can see it's downloading properly. So we have actually installed it successfully. So to install it, you need actually PHP version 8.3 and up. Okay, so if you have PHP version less than 8.3, you cannot actually install it. So just go type here cmd and type here php-v to get the PHP version. Here you can see 8.4.8. This is my current this is the current version of PHP I have installed in my PC. So here you can see, but if you have PHP version less than 8.3, you have to actually update the PHP version. Okay, otherwise actually you cannot install this package. So now what you have to do, you have to go to the link here, you can see. So we have to actually install the package. So to install the package, you have to type this in your cmd or command prompt. So press enter. All right, so now what you have to do, you just have to edit it inside config/app.php. So if I go here in the config, then app.php, here you can see there is no such a scope to actually add this. So because this actually changed after Laravel 11. Okay, so what I have to do, we have to go to the bootstrap and then providers.php. So here we will actually add it. Okay, that's it. Save. Now what I have to do, we have to just say that PHP artisan migrate, right? Okay, so I'm going to copy it, go to the terminal and say PHP artisan migrate, press enter, and here you can see migration is done. Now let's go back here, and now we have to actually add it in the model where actually we want to show the comment. Okay, so we know we have a model for this, and that is app models and then post model, right? So here we'll actually add it. So here you can see I have already added it, and then what I have to do, we have to actually add it, use commentable. Okay, here you can see this is article and model. So we don't have to actually do this, we just have to copy this, use commentable. Okay, that's it, done. Now we just have to copy it. Okay, Livewire comments model, then $article. So we'll actually add it in the view where actually we want to show comment. So we know we want to show it in the single post, right? So we'll go to the resource, then views, then full post dot blade.php, and here we have comment system. If I paste it here, then we just have to change the variable article here. Here you can see I am actually compacting the post, right? Post value. So we just have to change the article to post value. So we are getting actually the post value from the, here you can see if I go to the route, then web.php. So we are actually going to the user controller, right? Show full post. So I'll go to the app, then HTTP, then controllers, then user controllers, and then here you can see this is the function. We are actually compacting the, we have compact here the whole post according to the post ID. Okay, so what I have to say, we have to actually change the article to post, because we have compact post here, right? Okay, that's it. And now if I go here, if I refresh, now you can see we have a comment option here. But if I go into their, here you can see they have the nice one. Okay, so we have to actually work with CSS. All right, Okay, at first let me log out. So let's go here, read more. And now here you can see we have to log in to actually comment, right? So let's log in. I'm going to log in as user. Okay, so Tanvir, and then log in. And now I can actually comment, and here I can see write a comment. So yes, I will say here that nice post. And if I press this button here, and here you can see success, comment added successfully. So let's check. Here you can see Tanvir and 4 seconds ago, and this is the post, right? I can actually give here a like also. Here you can see. And if I go to the database and if I refresh, and here you can see we have a comment table also, right? And which user actually comment here, user ID 2. So let's go check the user. Yes, user ID is 2. All right, so it's working perfectly. And now let's say I want to show comments like, there is no like. Okay, so if I go here, if I give like here, let's say I want to log out and log in as admin. Yeah, log in. So I can actually go there and I can give like here. So now I will go here in the database to check actually it's working perfectly. Here you can see, yes, user ID 1, so admin is 1, right? If I go here in the user table, here you can see admin is 1. So yes, comment ID is 1 and user ID is 1, so we have liked it, right? Okay, so this is the way you can do this. All right, so yes, this is the comment system. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.